Neighborhood cats turning your garden into their personal litter box, you're not alone. You can stop it without hurting the cats, your plants, or your sanity. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll have simple, proven ways to take your garden back. Step 1. Why cats love your raised beds. Let's start with the truth. Your raised bed is basically a 5-star resort for a cat. Soft soil, easy digging, no competition. To a cat, that fluffy garden bed feels exactly like a litter box. Freshly turned soil is the biggest trigger. The looser it is, the more inviting it becomes. Comment below. Have you noticed it happens right after you plant or water? Understanding this is key. You're not dealing with a bad cat. You're dealing with instinct. Step 2. The fastest fix most people miss. If you want results fast, stop leaving bare soil exposed. That's it. That's the simplest fix. Cover the surface. Use mulch, straw, bark, or even pine needles. Cats hate digging through uneven textures. Even better, plant densely. The less open space, the less room for trouble. Think of it like this. If a cat can't comfortably dig, it'll move on. Ask yourself, are you giving them an easy target? Step 3. Physical barriers that actually work. Now let's get serious. Physical barriers are the most reliable long-term solution. Lay chicken wire or garden mesh just under the soil surface. Plants grow through it. Cats can't dig through it. Another simple trick, stick small branches or chopsticks upright across the bed. It looks a little wild, but it works. You're not hurting the cat. You're just making your space inconvenient. And animals always choose convenience. Step 4. Smells cats avoid without harming your garden. Cats rely heavily on scent, so let's use that to your advantage. Citrus is a big one. Orange and lemon peels scattered around the bed can help. You can also use natural sprays designed to repel cats. Just make sure they're garden safe. Important note, avoid anything toxic. You're solving a problem, not creating a bigger one. Consistency matters here. After rain or watering, reapply. Motion and surprise tactics. Cats love calm, predictable spaces, so make your garden unpredictable. Motion-activated sprinklers are incredibly effective. One surprise spray and most cats won't come back. Even simple movement helps. Wind spinners, reflective tape, or light noisemakers. You're creating an environment that feels unsafe without being harmful. Quick question, would you hang around somewhere that randomly sprayed water at you? Exactly. The long game, training the area. Here's where most people quit too early. You need to break the habit. Cats return to places that smell familiar, so clean the area thoroughly where they've gone before. Flush with water, remove contaminated soil if needed, and apply your deterrents right after. This resets the signal. Over time, the cat learns. This place, not worth it, and it moves on. Let's lock this in. Here are your biggest takeaways. First, cover your soil. Bare dirt is an open invitation. Second, use barriers, mesh, sticks, anything that makes digging difficult. Third, add scent deterrents. Citrus and safe sprays work when reapplied consistently. Fourth, introduce motion or surprise. A little unpredictability goes a long way. And finally, stay consistent. You're not just blocking behavior, you're retraining it. If you want fast results, start with covering your soil today. It's the easiest win. Bonus tip, combine 2 or 3 methods at once. That's when the magic happens. Now I want to hear from you. What's your #1 strategy going forward? If this helped you protect your garden and keep your sanity, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. And check out the next video on your screen. It's picked just for you. See you soon.